What crib mattress is best? If you're expecting a baby or already have a little one, choosing the right crib mattress is a crucial decision for their safety and comfort. Let's break down what you need to know to make the best choice. First, it's important to understand the different types of crib mattresses available. You have Innerspring, foam, and those filled with wool or cotton. Each has its own benefits, but the key is to ensure the mattress is firm and flat, especially for the first year of your baby's life. For Innerspring mattresses, more coils generally mean better support and durability. When shopping, consider the materials used. Natural rubber and foam mattresses are gaining popularity, especially those made from sustainable and organic materials. For example, the avocado green crib mattress and the Naturepedic crib mattress are highly regarded for their eco-friendly and safe construction. Cleanability is another important factor. The cover of the mattress can make a big difference. Vinyl covers are easy to clean but can be prone to punctures and tears. Cotton and other natural fiber covers are more durable and breathable, though they tend to be more expensive. You'll also need a mattress protector with a woven cover to ensure it stays clean and safe. The cost of crib mattresses varies widely, from under $50 to over $600. While more expensive mattresses may use higher quality materials, it's important to remember that these mattresses don't need to last as long as adult mattresses. You can find a good crib mattress at various price points, so it's about finding what fits your budget and meets your safety and comfort standards. Safety standards are also a critical consideration. As of August 15, 2022, all crib mattresses sold in the U.S. must comply with new federal safety standards. These standards include tests for firmness, durability, and proper fit inside the crib, as well as warnings about SIDS and suffocation hazards. Look for mattresses with warning labels and product registration cards to ensure they meet these standards. In terms of specific features, some mattresses are dual-sided, meaning one side is ultra-firm for newborns and the other side is softer for toddlers. This can be very convenient as your baby grows. For instance, the Naturepedic breathable crib mattress has a dual firmness design with a coil core that helps maintain good support over time. For parents who prioritize breathability and safety, the Newton Woven Air crib mattress is a top choice. It's completely breathable, washable, and made in the USA. It's also GreenGuard Gold certified and has won the JPMA Innovation Award. Ultimately, the best crib mattress for you will depend on your priorities. If you're looking for something eco-friendly and safe, options like the avocado green or Naturepedic might be the way to go. If breathability and ease of cleaning are key, the Newton Woven Air could be your best bet. Always ensure that the mattress meets the latest safety standards and fits snugly in the crib to provide the safest and most comfortable sleep for your baby.